Guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Frozen's playing in the background, but today we got heavy package. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what this is. It's a pretty cool package here. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Okay. So we have the Tesla wall connector here. I don't want to lift it up because I think there's some stuff in here. So that is not mine. No, that's not mine. Stop it. I'm recording a video. Okay, so this... Okay, so now it's in frame. This looks like it... Oh, I already... Stop. Please. Please stop. Okay, so... And then we have me squeezing my stomach.
Stomach?
Okay, please stop. Are you trying to show them how strong I am? Stop it! Stop, I said. Laura! Okay, well, so then it opens up like this. Okay, so first we have quick installation guides, quick start guides. Stop!
Moving the stuff!
Yes, I'm recording a video, Mama.
Hello, video!
That is my crazy mom.
I'm also Elsa.
Do it, sing it. Sing it, Mama, sing it. But we got some stuff here.
What just happened? I really hope that was on film.
Yes, it was.
I think the box attacked him.
So we got this big thing.
Oh my word.
Oh my gosh. That is cursed. No! Stop! I'm recording a video. Beep. Censored. Beep. 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 So, this thing is heavy, but here it is. Tesla wall charger. Dude, I got this, okay? Dude, I got this, okay? Dude.
Do that again.
Okay, stop! 1,000 times. Just stop and get some help. But there she is. Hi! Stop!
And get some hay.
And get your hands off of it. Stop! Gosh. Tasteless.
Oh, why does my tongue hurt?
Box attacked me again.
Does it look weird?
Look at this. Look at this thing.
Oh, it's really long.
It's like the size of the Tesla screen, Mama.
You're like, this is my new phone.
I'm like, my house is on fire, Mama. hurting anyone. I'm hurting and furting. Yeah.
You see your real cry? Just watching Frozen.
Okay, Mama, let's open this up. Watch this, Mama. I'm gonna show you it. Wow. Wow. I did. Showed you 20 seconds ago.
Show me peas.
Showed you 4 seconds ago. What? No. No. Okay, guys, that'll be the it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications if you want to get notified whenever I post a brand new video. And as always, peace out.